An interesting historical event is the eruption of the Laki volcano in Iceland in 1783. This volcanic eruption caused one of the largest lava flows ever recorded in Earth history and released large amounts of sulfur dioxide and other volcanic gases into the atmosphere. The smoke and ash clouds that followed the eruption significantly affected the climate in the northern hemisphere and initiated a period called volcanic winter. Agriculture in Iceland suffered serious damage, and many people starved to death. Additionally, weather anomalies occurred in Europe and North America, which reduced the yield of agricultural products. This event caused serious economic and social impacts on a global scale.